So here's a good representation, I think, of this field. You can see that there's some clovers in here. Looks like the deer have been in here munching on them. We've got a lot of orchard grass. We've got some alfalfa that you can see. Some of the tips are burned in here. It's been getting down in the mid to lower 20s at night. Not every night, but probably 7 or 8 nights of the last 2 weeks. It's been getting kind of cold, so the orchard grass is still kind of protecting some of this alfalfa, so it's still green, but it's starting to get burned a little bit by the frost. Got some red clover in here. There's a little bit of fescue. Now when we planted this field, the fescue that was in this mix was a fungus-free fescue. This here, I can't tell you if it's fungus-free or if it's Kentucky 31, to be honest. I'm not entirely sure. And then we've also have Johnson grass that you can see has come up by itself, and during the summer months the cattle sure do love it. So it's kind of taken its own little spot up here in this field. And then all this here, I believe this is some type of mustard that has come in voluntarily, and the cows have actually been gnawing it down pretty good. What I was trying to show you was that it has a pretty awesome tuber. Hopefully you guys can see this when I'm showing you. And they've been just chomping down. I'll have to see if I can find a place in the field where they've kind of come through and they eat all this leaf mass here, and then they'll eat into the tuber part, the bulb part, and all you'll see is this little white tuber left. And I guess I didn't realize that. I mean, I think this is a mustard plant. I always kind of thought they were, but I could be wrong on that. If you guys know what these are and I'm saying something wrong, please let me know. But it's a pretty substantial plant that grows in the cool season here, and pretty substantial bulb, as you can see. And I don't know if it obviously draws a lot of organic, not organic, bio-life. There's a little earthworm in there. So a lot of earthworm castings down here also, so a lot of earthworm activity. As I was telling you earlier about these turnips, I called them mustard. I guess they're probably technically all in the same type of family group. But you can see here, here's a little turnip bulb that they munch down all the vegetation on top. So that's gonna leave a nice size hole in the soil here to help with any type of compaction. Here's a bigger one that, you know, about the palm of my hand really, that they've kind of just gnawed off all that. Here's a little one here that they didn't pull out the tuber. Most of the tubers are still in the ground. Alright guys, so hope you guys enjoyed watching us move these girls. It was about a mile move all the way to the back, and they're all here just chomping down, having a good old time. This is our cool season field that's being grazed for the last time this year, and just wanted to show you via GoPro. Thanks GoPro for helping make this so much easier to film when the camera's on your head instead of in your hand. So anyways guys, till next time, have a good holiday season. If I don't post anything again till then, see you later.